Hello, my name is Kayla Lindstrom, and I am going to introduce to you the honey-do list. Problems with why I'm creating this app is because not all men, but sometimes men can be quite forgetful, and they just have a lack of motivation once they come home from work or school, whatever it may be. A solution to make wives happier with their husbands and happier with the home they live in is to create the honey-do list application. This application will allow the wife, girlfriend, or significant other to enter their chores and give each chore a specific amount of points. Then their husband or boyfriend are able to enter in the awards they would like, and their wives will give the reward X amount of points that for chores that they'd have to complete to reach that reward. And then they are able to complete the chores and accumulate their points. Tools and concepts that I'll be using or as a group to create this application. For the process or methodology, I would like to use either the Agile Unified Process or Feature-Driven Development. I'm fine if it is a different kind, but these two stuck out to me. This application, when we create it, I'd like it to be very simple and pleasant so that it is easy for the user interface to use. Objects that will be created when creating this application are her, him, chore, and points. Before the document object models, we will be using getters and setters, and I believe we would also be using the get element by ID. I've used it before, but I'm not sure if we'll be using it for this application. The transition and animations, I don't want them to be super long. I want them to be quick and to the point, but yet make it still look nice. The application is going to be storing all the chores and points, and it will be storing all of these locally, not on a server database. When the chores are completed, I want it to use Ajax and update the page without refreshing it so that the points will automatically accumulate right there for them. I'm not very familiar with the JSON serialization. I've done reading on it, but from what I understand, it is replacing XML and it's just lighter, so it's easier to use. And that concludes my, oh no, here is what I plan on the user interface to look like. You can see it's very simple. They enter the chore, the amount of points they'd like to go with it, and then they add the chore. After that, you can see the honey-do list from where they've updated the chores, and the husband can check it off and claim the reward if he has enough points to get the rewards he would have liked. And that concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for watching.